This is ABC 7 News, Chicago's #1 news, with Alan Krzyzewski, Kathy Brock, weather with meteorologist Jerry Taft, and sports with Jim Rose. This is ABC 7 News at 6.
Well, hundreds of people turned out in Chicago's Bridgeport neighborhood today for a 100-year-old Croatian religious festival. We'll have that story coming up.
It's a festival that goes back more than 100 years. There are at least 300,000 people of Croatian descent right here in the Chicago area, and today a lot of them gathered in Bridgeport for the Feast of the Assumption of the Blessed Mother. As our Frank Matthew reports, for Croatians, this is one of the holiest days of the year.
It's been celebrated at St. Jerome's Parish in Bridgeport for a century. The Croatians call it the Feast of Velika Gospa, or the Assumption of the Virgin Mary into heaven. It's the city's oldest continuous festival held on the same day every year.
100 years in Chicago, same date, same location in Bridgeport, always on the 15th of August, regardless of what day of the week it falls on.
Since 1906, on August 15th, this has been the scene near 28th and Princeton. A mixture of holy day and holiday, and they come from far away to be here. Where are you from?
I'm from Sin to Croatia.
Croatia. You came from Croatia for this festival?
Yes, we go there.
They honor Our Lady of Sing. Croatians say the Blessed Mother led them to victory over the Turks in a battle 300 years ago near the city of Sing, Croatia. So that's why they celebrate, and that's why Neda Rozbic has never missed one of these processions.
Everyone since the day I was born. My mother brought us here all the time.
So, and you're how old?
90.
So this is your 90th parade. Croatia, just in case you're wondering, is east of Italy across the Adriatic Sea. It became a country in 1991 after breaking away from Yugoslavia. But the Croatian people themselves, they go back a long, long way.
They had their own kingdom for quite a while, but then they had to serve under other empires, which were accumulations of peoples, and they continued to keep their identity through the toughest of times.
But basically, since the 600s, there have been Croatian.
Amen. In Croatia.
They will celebrate their history all day and into the night with roasted lamb and pig. But besides the play, they will also pray, just like they have for 100 years. Frank Matthew, ABC 7 News.
The most perfectly beautiful, gorgeous day for the celebrations.
Yeah,
I mean, sure was.
Sunshine, blue skies.
Light winds, temperatures right around 80. Perfect.